Bisengo noenda athia mundu Stella Mengele antu ambaye kana yokwani thawe bae atete bina byo asisi wendie ne ya withdrawer na ne mai kania na kindoki ni cha mu forever usini etina wa mundu Steven Kasolo eyo ajiba ya ete wekyo Bisengo nage oka na alikilo muno ende omundu no video aite mundu antu ambaye asisi na esa asisi bitafadhali amwite emu yake yokwata de Kasolo yae ala lesson ne walani lesson na paundi ni tiba no seo ondo onake ndayetekela Kasolo adibundi nondo onake kane wenda kwa lawyers enda ebie na kana wende yokwata de Kasolo enda amu kwa de disi but you weno wa uno kwa amndo andu ambaye asisi kana withdraw kundo chukethele maikanie na mesi wende ulo rafiki no asoka namba ya mukamba ende na umwe na enda na ula utukilete wa mnondo kindo ki pono kiendete nondo unukwasya ona kimba Kasolo ndaneza kwetia wekeo through the appropriate channel according to Bisengo ti according to nyeni according to Papa Bisengo ebanga ona kimba ndaneza kwetia wekeo through the right channel no wale kumwethukizya nanenge nema ile kwinda mena kindo kisondo wasizya wesa kona mundu ebika bandu eti wekyo pio mbewa congregant kanisa na family yake bebo ene pakakana ke bo muka na no kwasya no alesi katika rooftop aenda kwa mundu mathuku but alilika kana kake asieka as when no give it up na life aka give up na like spiritual yake when no collect but anakoleta no ye kanisa yemo bothe muno ndo ekwani ne umu drag muno na wende na bina ngo wako mama yako tini nenge kangu kiela pondo Papa Bisengo wana na kula ku Stella Mengele leta Bisengo kula ku Stella Mengele kambe
Sometimes drastic measures are needed for drastic reasons. Na weto ndo kijana no bikie bandu you are regret his actions na ambe ya process ya kwitia wekeo ona kutwika na ambe ya kwitia wekeo balaba ilite na nondo no mundu no bitasia noto na kwithi ambe ye kwika apologies in the wrong platforms maybe ni kwa makwitha na advise us appropriate. It doesn't have to be perfect, mistakes can happen, lakini wayuta my sister tondo kijana no mini kwa admit kana no learn your lessons na adiba TikTok live ILS yakana he has learned a lot and he would not want to go back there. It's not a good place to be. I never wanted him to be there as well because I never took a legal step on him amid the allegations he put on me, some which were very bad, some which affected my family, but I chose not to put him there. Si ati sikuwa na uwezo. Mimi na uwezo tu wa kufungisha mtu kabisa. I have the money for the lawyers. I have the money ya kuonga the system. Upate wezi toka ndani. But I chose peace. And at this point in Cumberland, what do we want? Tunataka peace. So we want this thing to end once and for all. Sorry, so Stella, it's not my wish for this case to continue dragging, because defamation case inaweza enda up to 10 years. Now it costs so much, especially for the defendant. Hii case ita cost Kasolo sana kama itaendelea kudrag kwa koti, kuna itaumiza familia yake. Because what happens ukifanya kesi uishiwe, familia yako ndio inaanzanga kusafa. Because wale watu ulikuwa unafikiria ni mafans wako, ni mabeshte zako, watadisappear. Kendo chaimba ni matibuka. Nikwithwa anyanya mainge, anyanya ainge maitutu ithiana mo katika maisha mabwana matumamete. Kiuta ni choka matumete kapyo. Mutokati wa wiwoka. Kwa kutuya Kasolo na followers ingeti kumaanisha maimotibokea chaimba na ndiye ndapoba yabikwa. So Stella, my sister, I'm asking you politely, you are my friend, tuyabo dhanyanaku tuyako sana tuthukomete naku tukasovya hit songs ikatele myokamba ikathingidia Cumberland nikwithe you are a very good sister. And right now I want you to begin reflecting on ending this thing. The way, may God give you sufficient grace to go through this process, because I know it's not easy for you. Lakini nataka sasa uanze ku reflect on forgiveness, reflect on peace, reflect on withdrawing this case.
Yes, yuzuni alwa wow ndio kabisa yango kala ku Stella Mengele. Yo Stella Mengele no go respond. Katone. Tuma nei Stella Mengele no go respond. Weke waka solo na kana no go respond kwe letter eno ya mundu kabisa mundu ni ambassador waba wakambara nenge one ka say podcast ngwe ya ngwete kala ke ko nenge ndeka tutu kumeba mwe twisi kwa nini kamba kama